Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix lag issues after iOS 26 beta update on any iPhone. Now, to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to general. From here, just tap on software update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available. Now, if you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, since the beta version of the iOS update is not the finalized version, so you might find some glitches in the software. Just make sure you update the software when you receive one. Now on this page, also tap on beta updates, and from here just make sure you update your iPhone to the iOS 26 public beta version. Now once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. Now for that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now if this also did not fix your issue, just open settings, then go to general. From here, just tap on iPhone storage, and from here just check if the storage of your iPhone is low. Now if the storage of your iPhone is low, just delete some data on your iPhone to clear up some storage. Now the data could be some apps which you are no longer using, or a few photos and videos which you no longer need, or if they are already uploaded to iCloud, you can delete them from your Photos app to clear some storage. Now just make sure you have a minimum of 10 gigabytes of storage for your iPhone to work properly. Now after that, just go back, and from here you will find the option of background app refresh. Just tap on it, then tap on background app refresh and select off. After that, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just select accessibility. Then tap on motion, and from here just enable reduce motion. Now once you enable reduce motion, also enable prefer crossfade transitions. And this is how you can fix lag issues after the iOS 26 beta update on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.